Students, today we are going to continue on some more problems on areas. Okay. First problem in this class, the area bounded by the curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 and the x-axis. So here the curve is y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 and the axis is x-axis. So here the points are not given, the lines are not given, only intersection with the x-axis. So we have to find the intersection points with the x-axis. So given curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 and x-axis. Intersection points with x-axis means we have to substitute y equal to 0 in the given curve. Y equal to 0 means here y value is 0, that is x square minus 5x plus 4. We will get in the next slide. Substitution intersection points with x-axis means y equal to 0, that is we get x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0, and factorization 5x can be written as x square minus x minus 4x plus 4. X is common in the first two terms, we get x of x minus 1, minus 4 is common, x minus 1, that equal to 0. So x minus 1 is common, x minus 1, then x minus 4, that is x equal to 1 comma 4. Therefore intersection points is 1 comma 0 comma 4 comma 0, means x equal to a, x equal to b. X equal to a means 1, x equal to b means 4. Okay, and here we don't have the diagram exactly, we don't know the diagram exactly, so we have to take, while the problem we have to take modulus. Okay, required area is a equal to integration a to b y into dx, a to b y into dx. 1 minute. Area equal to modulus of integration a to b y into dx. By this modulus means we don't know the exactly, we don't know the where it is below x-axis or above x-axis, we don't know that, that's why we are taking modulus. So 1 to 4 means it is a equal to a to b y dx, a equal to 1, b equal to 4. So integration 1 to 4, y means x square minus 5x plus 4 dx, it is 1. So integration and substitute the values. X square integration, 1 minute. X square integration x cube by 3, 5x integration 5x square by 2, 4 integration 4x. Limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Here upper limit 4, so 4 cube by 3, 64 by 3, 4 square, 5 into 4 square means 16, 5 into 16 by 2, 4 into 4, 16. If you substitute 1 by 3, 5, 1 square means 1, 5 by 2 minus 4 into 1 means 4. Simplification we get 64 by 3, 2, 8 just 16, 5 into 8, 40 plus 16 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 2 plus 4. Next, after simplification here minus 40 plus 16, minus 40 plus 16 means minus 24, therefore it is 64 by 3 minus 24, minus of LCM is 6, 2 minus 15 plus 24 by 6. Simplification, here LCM first two terms, LCM is 3, so 64 minus 72 by 3, and here 24, 26 minus 15 means 11 by 6. So minus 8 by 3 minus 11 by 6. 64 minus 72 means minus 8 by 3 minus 11 by 6. 6 is the LCM. Minus 2 into 8 minus 16 minus 11 by 6. That is minus 27 by 6 minus 9 by 2, that is modulus. I didn't put modulus to every step, I am putting last. Modulus of minus 9 by 2 means 9 by 2 square units. So So in this problem, so first of all we have to find out intersection points with the x-axis. In this, intersection points are not given, so we have to find intersection points with the x-axis. To find intersection point x-axis means put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 substitute cheyali. Then we get intersection points and then use the formula modulus, because we don't know the exact location of the region. Okay, that's why we are taking modulus. This is the formula. Next problem, find the area enclosed by the parabola y equal to x square minus 8x plus 15 and x-axis. It is also same. X-axis means intersection points with the x-axis. We have to take y equal to 0 and solve this equation. We get x values and integration a to b y into dx. In that we get answer 4 by 3 square units. Okay, next problem. Find the area included between the parabola y square equal to 4ax and its lateral rectum. Y square equal to 4ax and its lateral rectum. What is the y square equal to 4ax? Its graphs look like this. Y square equal to 4ax it is, and the focus is a comma 0, and the line which is passing through the focus a comma 0 is called lateral rectum. This is the lateral rectum line, x equal to a. We have to find this area gone. Okay, given y square equal to 4ax, y equal to square root of 4ax, equation of lateral rectum is x equal to a. Means if you observe this area, means it is x equal to 0 line and lateral rectum line is x equal to a. Between area we have to find out 0 to a. Okay. This is the diagram. Y square equal to 4ax. This is the diagram. We have to find this total area. Okay. So required area equal to 2 into area in first quadrant. It is 2 quadrants. It is first quadrant and it is second quadrant. It is third quadrant and it is fourth quadrant. Area is symmetric. It is symmetric. Therefore it is converted into 2 parts, above part and below part. Both parts are same. So 2 into area in the first quadrant. Area in the first quadrant lo కనుక్కుంటే అది 2 పార్ట్స్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఏరియా ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఈ ఏరియా కనుక్కొని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే టోటల్ ఏరియా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 2 ఇంటూ వాట్ ఇస్ ద లిమిట్స్, ఇక్కడ 0 అండ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, 0 టు ఏ y into dx. 2 into integration 0 to a y into dx. What is the y value? Square root of 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Therefore y equal to square root of 4ax. Okay. In 2 into integration 0 to a square root of 4ax. This root 4 means 2 root a constant outside means 2 as it is, and 2 root a into 0 to a root x. Root x means x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. So integration x to the power of 1 by 2 integration x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. 4, 2 into 2, 4 root a outside, x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to a. This 3 by 2 outside, then it will come as a 2 by 3. Reciprocal 2 by 3. So 4 into root a and 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2, 0 to a. So 4 into 2, 8 into root a by 3. Upper limit a to the power of 3 by 2, 0 to the power of 3 by 2 means 0. That is 8 into root a by 3 into a to the power of 3 by 2. So root a into means a to the power of 1 by 2 into a to the power of 3 by 2. So bases are same. We have to add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2 means 2. So 8 into these two terms will become a square, 8a square by 3 square units. That is the answer. Here in this problem, the question it is given, find the area included between the parabola y square equal to 4ax and its lateral rectum. Lateral rectum means x equal to a is the lateral rectum, and the graph look like this one. Its area is 2 into area in the first quadrant, means 0 to a, 2 into area in the first quadrant. Next we will look next problem. Obtain the area of the circle of radius r using integration. Circle with radius r using integration. Area. Equation of a circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. I am taking equation of the circle with center 0, 0 and radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square. X square plus y square equal to r square. And if you look at the graph, equation of the circle with center is this one. If you look at the graph, this is the circle graph with center 0, 0 radius r. Total area. What is the total area? This area we have to find out. Total area means it is area, first quadrant area, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So I am first of all writing required area equal to 4 into area in the first quadrant. Area in the first quadrant means 0 to r limits. And x square plus y square equal to r square. So y square equal to r square minus x square. So y equal to square root of r square minus x square. And area equal required area equal to area 4 into area in the first quadrant. So area in the first quadrant formula 4 into integration 0 to r y into dx, because limits are 0 to r. Y means square root of r square minus x square. 4 into integration 0 to r square root of r square minus x square. So it is of the form square root of a square minus x square dx integration. X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. This formula. So here instead of a, here r. So x by 2 into square root of r square minus x square plus a square by 2. A means here r square by 2 sin inverse x by r. Limits are 0 to r. Okay, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit. If you substitute upper limit r substitute చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? r by 2 r square minus r square. It will becomes 0 and r square by 2 into sin inverse r by r. Okay. r substitute చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? r by 2 into 0 r square by 2 into sin inverse r by r. 0 substitute చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 0 into this one 0, ఈ టర్మ్ మొత్తం ఏమవుతుంది? 0 అయిపోతుంది. ప్లస్ r square by 2 into sin inverse 0 by r. సో 0 plus r square by 2 into sin inverse 0 by r. This term is total 0. R square by 2 into r by r means 1 sin inverse 1 and r square by 2 sin inverse of 0 by r ante sin inverse 0. So r square by 2 4 into r square by 2 sin inverse 1 means sin pi by 2 sin inverse of sin pi by 2 into r square by 2 into sin inverse of 0 means sin 0 sin inverse of sin 0. We have the formula in trigonometric inverse trigonometric function. This sin inverse sin cancel, we get pi by 2 r square by 2 into pi by 2, and here also sin inverse sin cancel, we get 0 r square by 2 into 0. This term is total 0. So 4 into pi r square by 4. 4 cancel, that is pi r square. Pi r square square units. It is area of the circle with radius r. Okay, center 0, 0, radius r is pi r square is the area of the circle. So here the diagram, if you see the diagram, it is area, circle area total is 4 parts. Total 4 equal parts ga undi. So 4 into area in the first quadrant. Okay, next problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the line 2x plus y equal to 8 x-axis and the lines x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. It is given in the previous class only. Same model, y into dx, 2 to 4. Okay. Next problem, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 by method of integration. These two problems are important. The sixth problem, area of the circle or area of the ellipse. If you see the ellipse diagram, it looks like this one. Okay, ellipse. ఇలా ఉంటుంది ఎలిప్స్, సర్కిల్ కాకుండా ఎలిప్స్ ఏరియా. సో గివెన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ బై బీ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఈజ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. And intersection points with, we have to find out intersection points. Circle means we already know the radius, it will automatically it will come. For ellipse we have to find intersection points with the x-axis, that is put y equal to 0. Intersection points with x-axis means we have to substitute y equal to 0 in the equation 1. So y equal to 0 means x square by 2, 0 square by b square means it is 0 equal to 1. So x square equal to a square, x equal to plus or minus a means minus a comma 0 plus a comma 0. This intersection point is a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0. If you take, it is also, it is first part, it is second part, it is third quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. Total 4 into area in the first quadrant. Like circle, it is also 4 into area in the first quadrant, and first quadrant limits are 0 to a. 0 to a. If you take y-axis intersection point x equal to 0, we get this intersection points. Here we are looking only for x-axis and area. 4 into area in the first quadrant. Area in the first quadrant means q1. It is limits 0 to a. That is, I am writing first x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then y square by b square equal to, this will comes this side minus 1 minus x square by a square LCM, a square minus x square by a square. Then y square equal to this b square comes to numerator, b square by a square into a square minus x square. Y equal to total square root, b square, a square cancel, b by a square root cancel, b by a, and square root of a square minus x square means y equal to b by a into square root of a square minus x square. So use the formula. Now required area equal to 4 into area in the first quadrant means 4 into integration a to b y into dx. A to b means here in the first quadrant, here what is the limits? 0 to a. Okay, 0 to a. So 4 into integration 0 to a, what is the y value? What is the y value? B by a square root of a square minus x square. Okay, b by a into square root of a square minus x square. This b by a is outside, so 4 into b by a constant outside, 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx. So integration, it is formula, same formula, a square minus x square formula. 4 into b by a integration 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx. That is 4b by a formula, x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. So upper limit minus lower limit 0 to a substitute as a square minus a square, x plus y substitute as a square minus a square, it will come 0, and a square by 2 sin inverse a by a. Next 0 substitute as a 0 into something, it is 0, and sorry, it is minus. Okay, it is minus, sorry, minus of like this. Okay, minus of 0, a square by 2 sin inverse of 0 by a. Okay, and here also it is minus. Okay, a square by 2 sin inverse a by a means 1, sin inverse 1, minus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 0 by a means sin inverse of 0. Next, a square by 2 into sin inverse 1, it is minus a square by 2 into sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 1 means sin of pi by 2, that is sin inverse of pi by 2 cancel out, it is pi by 2, a square 4b by a into a square by 2 into pi by 2, and a square by 2 into sin inverse 0 is 0. In the previous problem we see sin inverse of sin 0, it is 0. A square by 2 into 0 is 0, it is minus 0. Okay, 4b by a into pi a square by 4 cancel, a ki square cancel, therefore pi into ab. is the square units, that is the area enclosed by the parabola. Okay, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Only here little changes, it is minus, sorry, it is also minus, I forgot to put minus, here also, sorry, here also it is minus of total, and here also it is minus. Okay, here if you observe, this is parabola, ellipse is like this, it is 4 into required area equal to 4 into area in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant limits are 0 to, here it is 0 and it is a, 0 to a. Okay, it is x equal to, sorry, x equal to 0, x equal to a. Okay. Next, do the homework problems. Find the area enclosed by the parabola 4x square plus y square equal to 36 by using method of integration. Means first of all it is the ellipse. Okay, enclosed by the ellipse 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36. So divide total equation with 36, we get 4x square by 36, 9y square by 36, 36 by 36. It is 1, means x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Remaining is same. Ikkada a square ante 3 square undi, b square ante 2 square. ఈ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లంలో చేసినట్టు చేయాలి. ఓకే, డూ ద హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ, కాల్ మీ ఆర్ సెండ్ ఏ మెసేజ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.